The thrill of owning your own business. Achieving success based on hard work and your own merit, regardless of who, what, and where you come from. That is the American dream. But achieving this dream is getting harder and harder. And every year, thousands of businesses close their doors. One thing driving small businesses to close is the cost of health insurance.
Okay, where do I start with my story? My husband and I decided, we had worked for people for quite a while. We decided to open our own restaurant. And that was a great leap of faith. We had 2 little kids. And then I didn't realize how much healthcare costs would be owning a small business. So we had 3 stores, 2 managers, and our family healthcare policy, and we had to pay over $3,000 a month just to have healthcare for my family and the 2 managers. So my husband started developing some really worrying symptoms. He had shortness of breath and pain in his jaw, and it was pretty terrifying. He was only 43. He'd worked for over 18 years slapping pizzas, and that's really hard on you. So what we found out was he had a genetic condition called Widowmaker syndrome, which is as scary as it sounds. So he thankfully got surgery. We did have health care at a great cost. 13 years later, he developed something. He was fine for 13 years. It was wonderful. And then the symptoms started coming back. He'd had such a high deductible. It would have killed us financially also. And we were nearing retirement age. So we had to sell our second store because of his healthcare costs. And so what I decided to do, but that we needed to get a divorce. So we divorced after 38 years of marriage. So that was really hard. He did get health care with a lower deductible because my income was not part of that. But we did have to live separately, which was very difficult. And then I talked to my doctor a couple months after when I went in for my visit, and I said, I had to divorce Cameron. And she said, well, I hear that a lot.
Small businesses are the backbone of our economy. That is why we at SPAN Ohio are working to keep that dream alive by fighting for affordable health care through universal single-payer health coverage. For more information, please visit our website or email us at spanohio.org.